My name is Edgar Rosenmayr. I'm the CEO of Kulczyk Silverstein Properties, which is a developer of mainly office buildings with a focus on Poland and Central Europe. And we have managed to develop, I believe, some of the most well-known buildings in Warsaw, such as Markowskiego Square or the Ethos office and retail project. And a few others, and are currently actually in a divestment mode as the platform was set up for a limited period of time. So we have started to sell our assets and developments, which we are currently doing. And in a way, we are benefiting from the quite positive market situation in Central Eastern Europe, especially in Poland. One of our buildings which we developed has set a new benchmark in terms of yield, which is called Markowskiego Square, which, as I said, we sold last year. And this year it was sold again by the investor who bought it from us at a price which set I would say one-time record low yield for office buildings in Warsaw. What else to say? The markets in Central Europe seem to be performing extremely well at the moment. Everyone is happy in terms of investment performance in particular, but also occupational markets are performing reasonably well, much better than a couple of years ago. And so what we see is that investors are moving further east in order to maybe secure higher returns, which are no longer achievable in the core Central European markets. What's good for owners or developers who are able to sell may not be as good for developers who are still in the development process, because everyone expects that the market will sooner or later turn. And we will see a downturn in the market, but I'm an optimistic person. I don't think that this will happen in the near future. We will see some 2 or 3 years of very good performance of real estate markets in the region. As regards the event, I'm obviously honored to have been invited to the jury for the awards, which I have done already a few times before, so it's not the first time for me to act as a member of the jury. What I have to say is that the quality of the projects and also I would say companies which have been shortlisted for the final awards is really outstanding, which also shows that Central Europe can attract outstanding talent, outstanding design, which then results in outstanding projects. And I hope that this development, this tendency will go on further, so that Central Europe will not be regarded second to Western Europe in the near future, but will be leveling out and be regarded as equally attractive from the point of view of institutional investors. Thanks very much. Thanks for giving me the opportunity for that interview. Thank you.